I think a lot of appreciation for you people for providing this kind of platform to the students. I think this is how leaders are made. So you are actually creating leaders. So I think that's a commendable job that you're doing, because NEP and all the other things that we are talking about, all the educationists nowadays talk about life skills, critical skills, we talk about 21st century skills, but this is how they are inculcated. So that is how, some things that we try to weave in our classrooms. So all this research, analysis, coming to the conclusion, scientific thinking, discussions, we try to include, but we are not able to include, say for whatever reasons. So that was beautifully weaved, I think, in each and every step. And that is what I like the most. And of course, as ma'am said, you actually opened the doors of a larger world. तो वो जो ग्लोबल सिटीजन बनने की शुरुआत होती है, how to collaborate, how to discuss, how to even tolerate other point of view, and how to put forward your point of view, that kind of sensitivity that is required while dealing with other people, that I saw in the students. So even when they were coming from diverse backgrounds, I felt they were sensitive to the feelings of each other. And of course, the fact that you're grooming mentors also, I like that most, because mentors jo the, some of them were so very involved, and I could see Aarti ma'am, being critical towards them also, that why was this not done, and this was very beautifully done. So I think this is a great lesson for them also. And of course, if interns are moving towards mentorship, I think that's a huge lesson in itself. So thank you so much. In fact, I also thoroughly enjoyed the entire process. I have myself learned a lot, many things.